Your screen should look like this on your Schoology. I want you to click Padlet number 1. It has the little link, the little chain next to it. Click that. And then this will pop up. And if you click, oh, let's see, everybody's like on there. This is called Padlet. So you add a little sticky note and you'll answer the question in your whatever you think would happen. So the question says, if we swap the homes of a polar bear and a cactus, what would happen? This is just like what would you hypothesize might happen? Okay, so in order to add on there, you have to add this little sticky note. It looks like a little sticky note, and then you can pick the color of your sticky note.
Where?
So I click purple, and then I just click the screen, and then I type my answer. Okay? So click the little sticky note.
Move out of my way.
All right, type your answer.
Who's
I'll come around and check.
What are we doing? This one's me.
Okay, so as we watch our YouTube video, look for the different types of animals and think about what are some different external features that they have that help them to survive. Alright, so we just finished our second tablet after watching our YouTube 360 video. The prompt was name one living thing from the video, and then I said you guys could add others if you wanted to. Name one living thing and name an external structure that it has and then I put the definition down here. An external structure is the outer parts of an animal or a plant that help it to survive, support, and protect it. Okay? So let's see. The elephant trunk makes them be able to drink water. Awesome. I love that one. The cheetah's speed helps them catch food. Elephant's trunks again. The eagle's talons help them catch food.
Those were eagles. Those were bulls.
They look like eagles.
There was
They might have been. Eagle's talons? What do you mean by talons?
Like sharp claws.
Oh, like the claws? Okay. Alright. Giraffe can make its legs go apart so he can bend down. Okay. And he's got his long neck so he can eat foods off of the trees. That's a good one. Okay. The horn on the rhino helps it, and the long neck on the giraffe helps it, and the tree helps the monkeys. Okay. Okay, the horn on the rhino is a good one, like maybe a defense kind of against predators or anything. The giraffe again. A bird's wings is a really good one. That helps with its behavior and its flying. Let's see, anything else different? The lion's claws to help it get its prey.
Mine's about like when the penguins.
These are all really good. I'm so impressed. And this Padlet is much better the second time than the first time. Okay, so we've been talking about internal and external structures. We know that internal is
Inside your body.
inside the body, and external is
Outside the body.
outside the body. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to get in groups. Don't move. We're going to get in groups. We're going to take our cards and we're going to make it into two separate groups. We're going to make a group of external structures and a group of internal structures. And we know that external is anything on the outside of the body and internal is anything on the inside of the body, okay? So that's the first step that we are going to do in our groups. Yes?
What is that?
This is from plants because we're talking about internal and external structures of plants. So
What is it?
that's an example of it inside of a plant. Okay, so, and then the thorns is an example of an external, right, on the outside of the plant to protect it from predators. And then internal,
And then the feet are the
the
claws.
claws are external, right? Yes, Oliver?
Are thorns technically like claws on the plant?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess technically, yeah, because they're both used to protect themselves.
It from getting destroyed.
Right, exactly. Okay, so, let's see. All right. Okay, so I'm going to put a timer on the board for 4 minutes, and we'll reevaluate if we need more time. 4 minutes, and I'm going to bring you your slips of paper, and again, you are going to do what?
Sort them.
Sort them? Sort them how, Jesse?
We're going to sort them by their external and internal.
External and internal structures. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to bring around your papers.
And their function.